Good morning, Orchard Hollow. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Trip Fisker. Have a great day, Trip. Today is our first remote Wednesday schedule. The schedule you'll follow is below. From 8:45 to 9:15 will be morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 will be your literacy block. From 10:15 to 10:30, everyone will have a break. Then from 10:30 to 11:30 will be your math block. Finally, 11:30 to 11:45, teachers will have their closing meetings. Please be mindful that all of our Orchard Hollow school rules and our code of conduct apply to our remote Wednesday schedule. That means, Huskies, while you're online on remote Wednesdays, please be aware of your mind and motions. Come to your online classrooms prepared and ready to do excellent work. Remember to stick up for others. Be a good digital citizen. Treat others as they should treat you. And always reach higher to be your best self. Make it a great day, Huskies.